Finally. Oh, good morning, everybody. Let's see. Yeah, so I've been up for a couple hours now. Trying to get my unboxing video uploaded, and it's finally uploading. But now also just time to go to work. So here we go. Yeah, so we just blew all that off. I blew out on the inside of there. Here's a pile from, most of that's just from the inside of there. There's Falcon's Flight. There's one pile starting, and then we got another really big pile on the outside of that white truck. And yeah, I don't know when Robert's going to get over here to loader to start loading anything up. So we got all those piles picked up. So now there's just a little bit of it. I'm just blowing out to the street because they've still got a lot of crap they need to clean up. So we'll just add it to that. I'm gonna head down to Form Road, and then they just finished up at Prowler, so then we'll go over there and pick up their pile. Well, it looks like Robert's trying to push all the piles. So our big one over there. Alright, we are finishing up here at Zulu. You can see all this black, that was a big pile. And then outside a pile right down here. All that big circle area. The loader had to come all the way up here. And it's loading in the truck right there. So now, right over there. And get all that done. Now we're up here doing all this. So we are now leaving work. We've got a lot of leaves and stuff out today. Man. But yeah, so we're heading home. Probably going to grab a bite to eat. And then one of my buddies from high school, his father passed away like Monday morning, I believe. And his visitation is tonight. So we're going to go over there and yeah, just kind of pay some respects and anything. 'Cause he was I've only met him like a handful of times, but I know he apologize that this again is a pretty short video. Let's see. I don't really feel like it tonight, but I think in the future, on these shorter videos, I think I might do little rants, I guess. Kind of have a subject that I want to talk about, and just go on about it for a little bit and take up some time. I'll try to make it somewhat entertaining, usually. I do know I have a couple subjects in mind, and a couple of them are really pretty serious. So, yeah. But I don't know. I guess if you have any suggestions of rants I could go on about, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section below. And just kind of let me know, give me some ideas. Yeah, so I think this is going to wrap up this video. So please remember to like and subscribe. Share with everybody again, normally, whatever. Oh. See, now I'm just rambling, kind of. So, yeah. And so, until tomorrow, have a great day.